Hey guys, so if your Shokz headphones are not charging or not turning on, don't panic. This happens a lot, and most of the time it's not a serious problem. It's usually a bad cable, dirty charging port, moisture detection, or the headphones just need a quick reset. In this 1 minute guide, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check the charger first. Try a different USB cable, different charging adapter, and a different wall outlet. Step 2. Inspect and clean the charging port. Look inside the charging port for dust, sweat, or debris. Clean gently using a dry, soft brush or cotton swab. Step 3. Check the LED light. If the LED is flashing red plus blue, that usually means moisture detected. Let the headphones dry completely for 30 to 60 minutes, then try charging again. Step 4. Do a manual reset. Turn the headphones off. Press and hold volume plus for 5 to 7 seconds. Now hold multifunction plus volume plus and volume minus together for 3 to 5 seconds. Turn them off, then on again, and try charging.